Here I have myPhone Prime 2 and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button, let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume down. Let's keep holding these two keys, power key and volume down, for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both of them and release all keys as soon as myPhone logo pops up on the screen. Let's wait a few seconds until the factory mode pops up on the screen. Excellent, and this is the factory test mode in myPhone Prime 2. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see, you can accomplish here the whole test, so perform some automatic test to test the hardware features on your phone. You may also perform the item test and just, for example, use one of the following features right here. Let's press volume up to go back. You can see the test report, you can see the version. Let me show you. Press power key, this is the version. Let's press volume up to go back, and you can also quit this mode by choosing the last option, which is reboot. So let me highlight the reboot, press power key to choose it, and right now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds until the home screen pops up. And that's it. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.